Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about TNPSC Group 1 Prelims exam question paper for 2017 year, and this is part 1 video with 50 questions. First question. During the year 2016, total number of Indian satellites launched by ISRO is? Answer is 6. Next question. The valency electron of the impurity atom that is to be added to germanium crystal so as to make it an N-type semiconductor is? Answer 5. Next question. A particle executes SHM. The acceleration of the particle is maximum at? Answer is at extreme position. Next question. The velocity of sound is maximum in? Answer is metal. Next question. The aqueous solution of potassium chloride is? Answer is a strong electrolyte. Next question. An acid is a substance that can lose a proton is called? Answer is Bronsted-Lowry concept. Next question. Which of the following is a wrong statement? Answer is all the ores are not minerals. Next question. Which enzyme catalyzes the conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme A in the respiratory process? Answer is pyruvate dehydrogenase. Next question. Match the following algal pigment with their color. Answer. Let's see the question first. Chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotenoid, cycocyanin. Let's see the answer. For chlorophyll, the answer is green. For xanthophyll, answer is yellow. For carotenoid, the answer is orange. For cycocyanin, the answer is blue-green. So the answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following is correct? The term cytosol refers to? Answer is phase of contraction of heart. So answer is 4 only. Next question. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. The assertion is the pyramid of grassland ecosystem is upright. Reason is the producers are maximum in number and territory consumers are least in number. Answer is A and R are correct. That is assertion and reason are correct. Next question. Aestivation is seen in? Answer is amphibians. Next question. Match the following. Disease, and we have to match with the test. Leprosy, typhoid fever, tuberculosis and diabetes. For leprosy, lepronic test. For typhoid fever, answer is lepronic test. For typhoid fever, answer is Vividal test. For tuberculosis, answer is Mantoux test. For diabetes, answer is glycosylate hemoglobin test. So the answer will be B, option B. Next question. List out the following Bahmani rulers in chronological order and mark the correct choice. First one, Alauddin Bahman Shah. Second, Muhammad Shah III. Third, Ahmad Shah. Fourth, Firoz Shah. So for the chronological order, first is Alauddin Bahman Shah. Second is Firoz Shah. And third one is Muhammad Shah III. And fourth one will be, third one will be Ahmad Shah. And last one will be Muhammad Shah III. So the answer will be B. Next question. The 22nd Tirthankara of Jainism was? Answer is Neminatha. Next question. Consider the following two statements consisting of assertion and reason and select your answer using the quotes given below. Assertion: the temple was not merely a place of worship. It filled a large place in the cultural and economic life of the Tamil people. Reasoning: its construction and maintenance offered employment to number of architects and craftsmen. Answer is B. Both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. So, answer is B. Next question. Consider the following pairs. Rukmani Devi Arnalda, Ravi Shankar, M.S. Subbulakshmi, J. Krishnamurti. So, the pair answer will be option C, that is 4 only. J. Krishnamurti with Bharat Ratna. So, that is the correct pair. Next question. Who constructed a canal of 150 miles from Yamuna to Hisar for agricultural purpose? Answer is Firokh Shah Tughlaq. Next question. The villages Raksas and Tagdi related to which battle? Answer is Battle of Talikota. Next question. Kudai Hitmatkar movement was organized by? Answer is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select your answer using the quotes below. List 1 is Madan Mohan Malviya, A.O. Human, that is Alam Active Human, Annie Besant, Subhash Chandra Bose. List 2 is Azad Hind for Home Rule Movement, Banaras Hindu University, Indian National Congress. Answer is option B, that is A. Madan Mohan Malviya is Banaras Hindu University. Option B, A.O. Human is Indian National Congress. He founded the Indian National Congress. Next, Annie Besant is Home Rule Movement. Annie Besant founded Home Rule Movement. And option D, Subhash Chandra Bose is Azad Hind Fauj. Next question. Which is not correctly matched? Rahmat Ali, Pakistan, Vinoba Bhave, second individual Satyagraha, Lithgow, August offer, Rajaji, Kulam Kalvi Tittam. So everything is correct, but Vinoba Bhave is second individual Satyagraha is not correctly matched. Next question. Ramsay MacDonald, the British Prime Minister, announced the communal award on? Answer is option A, 16th August 1932. Next question. Choose the incorrect pair from the following. Option A, Sarbaji Sabha, M.G. Ranade, Indian National Congress, A.O. Human, London Indian Association, Dadabhai Nauroji, Madras Native Association, Surendranath Banerjee. So, incorrect pair is, answer is Madras Native Association, Surendranath Banerjee. Next question. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer is Annie Besant. Match the following and choose the correct answer from the following quotes given below. Option A, Dandi March, Karachi Congress, Third Roundtable Conference, Lahore Congress. So, the answer here is option C. Let's see the answers. For Dandi March, 1930. The year is 1930. Option B, Karachi Congress, which held in 1931. And option C, Third Roundtable Conference, held in 1932. And Lahore Congress, held in 1929. So, the option is, answer is C. Next question. Who was the first finance minister of independent India? Answer is R.K. Shanmugam Chettiar. Arrange the following items according to the chronological order. Simon Commission, Gandhi Irwin Pact, third roundtable conference? Dundee March. Answer is option C, that is Simon Commission, Dundee March, Gandhi Irwin Pact. Last comes the third roundtable conference. So the answer is option C. Next question. The main function of Niti Aayog does not include. Answer is option C, dispersal of funds to central ministries and state governments. Next question is, the term demographic dividend refers to. Answer is increase in working class. Next question. The largest share of energy is consumed by. Answer is option C, urban power supply. Next question. The Right to Education Act 2009 is not related to. Answer is option D, higher education. Next question. The Lorentz curve is a measure of. Answer is option B, income inequalities. Next question. The chairman of the 14th Finance Commission in India is. Answer is Dr. Y.V. Reddy. Next question. The Planning Commission of India was changed as Niti Aayog in the year. Answer is option B, January 2015. Next question. The LPG model of development was introduced in dash by the finance minister dash. So answer is option A, in the year 1991, and it was introduced by the finance minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. So option A, 1991, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Next question. Indian Constitution established parliamentary form of government on the model of. Answer is British Westminster model. Next question. In which schedule of the Constitution the recognized 22 languages has been included? Answer is 8th schedule. Next question. Which of the following is not included in the state list in the Constitution of India? Answer is D, Criminal Procedure Code. Next question. The idea that Indians should have an Constituent Assembly to frame a Constitution of India was initiated by. Answer is M.N. Roy. Next question. Which one of the following statements relating to executive magistrate is not correct? Answer is C. Order made by an executive magistrate is not subject to revisional judiciation of High Court. Next question. Chairman of the first National Backward Class Commission was. Answer is option A, Kaka Kalekar. Next question. The salary and allowance of the public prosecutors are given by. Answer is option B, central government or state government. Next question. According to the 74th Constitution Amendment Act, metropolitan area means. Answer is option A, an area having a population of 10 lakhs or more. Next question. The institution of Lok Ayuta was established first in. Answer is option D, Maharashtra. Next question. Match the following. Here we have to match committees with the purpose. First one, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, GVK Rai Committee, L.M. Singhvi Committee. Let's see the answer. For option A, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee is matched to examine the working of committee development program. Next one, Ashok Mehta Committee is matched with strengthening the Panchayat Raj institution. Next one, GVK Rao Committee matched with rural development and poverty alleviation. Next one, L.M. Singhvi Committee, revitalization of Panchayat Raj institutions. So the answer is option C. Next question. The chairman and the members of UPSC can hold office for 6 years or till the age of dash, whichever is earlier. Answer is option A, 65 years. Next question. There are 8 mango trees in a straight line. The distance between each mango tree with other is 3 meters. What is the distance between the first and the 8th tree? Answer is option D, 21 meters. Next question. 1, 4, 6, 9, 11, 14, 16 and dash next to 16 is. Answer is option A, 19. Next question. A man can do a work in 3 days alone and a woman can do the same work in 9 days alone. If both are work together, in how many days they finish the same work? Answer is option C, 1/4 days. Thank you friends.